Hello students, Manoj Gautam this side, physical education teacher, Symbiosia School, Agra. Today I am going to take the lesson 4th, class 11th, physical education for CWSN. CWSN means children with special needs, yani Divyang. Divyang means instead of using the term Viklang, we should use the term Divyang, means a person with disability. Now we are going to content of this chapter. Aim and objectives of adaptive physical education. Next, organizations promoting adaptive sports. Next, concept of inclusion, its need and implementation. Next, role of various professionals for children with special needs. Now we are next topic of this chapter, content of inclusion. Inclusion means समावेश. समावेश means किसी भी चीज़ में अपने आप को समायोजित करना, यानी inclusive education means normal students and special needs. Students learn while hearing, sharing the some physical space and interacting especially and academically. यानी इसका मतलब है कि हम लोग किसी भी स्टूडेंट को अगर वो किसी भी कारण से डिसेबल्ड है उसको और एक नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट को एक साथ एजुकेशन देना, एक क्लासरूम में एंड एक ही छत के नीचे. द notable advantage of inclusive education is that differently abled children are educated with normal children within the same roof, and it's bring all students together in the one classroom and community. Inclusive completely rejected for use of specific schools to separate students with disability from students without disability. Now we are coming for need of inclusive education. Number 1, inclusive education provides perfect training of real life. All students with or without disability learn or interact with work collectively. Indeed, in India, there is their needs as well as importance of inclusive education. The need and importance of inclusive education are stated below. Number 1, self-esteem. Self-esteem, each and every individual have self-esteem, and it may be seen that differently abled individuals are less strong. Research studies conducted in this field indicate that after inclusion in the regular school or students with disability have shown improvement in self-confidence. They display qualities of self-efficiency. They develop confidence in their ability to interact with one another and the society in which they live. Next, for better social skills and communication. Inclusive education provides ample opportunity to have better social relations among students with disability and without disability. As the matter of fact, social skills are learned properly through observation and limitation. Students with disability get their better understanding of the world around them. They feel inhalation and about being part of the regular community. A number of cases studies and show the children with autism and demonstrations change in their social behavior while being with the other children without disability. The communication skills are improved a lot. Next, develop greater sensitivity within the children without disability. Students with the or without special need inclusive schools learn that each and every individuals have strength as well as weakness. They learn to appreciate these differences. For better understanding of strength and weakness, a student with or without need of inclusive education can each of individuals have strength as well as weakness and then learn appropriate these difference. Next, for better sense or belongingness. Inclusive education is the essential for having a better sense or belonging among students with and without special need. The teacher teach the value of another human beings, no matter what the persons look or around like. A student with disability needs enjoying feeling is belongingness, being loved, having a relationship and friendship with students without special needs. A student without special need also have increased awareness of tolerance and better understanding of other students with special needs. Higher academic achievement. Inclusive education is beneficial for the children with special needs because research students conduct in the field so that these students have done academically well than the exclusive education. Now we are coming for implementation of inclusive education. Implementation क्या क्या हो सकता है inclusive education से? Children with disabilities or special need have to number of problems in getting education, especially inclusive education. Some of the measures to efficiently implement inclusive education in India are: number one, right to reach in the right to education is to be made effective in all states. Next, teachers in rural areas are to be trained well so they are equipped with due required knowledge. The differently able students should be treated unequally as normal students in school. Parents should be taken as the reduce and the involving and decisions making process to enhance their children's learning. Sincere efforts should be made to develop good relation between family of students with disability and without disability. A school should be develop a support team for students with special education needs. Now we are coming for role of various professional for CWSN. The role of various professionals such as school counselors, occupational therapists, physiotherapists, etc. for the children with special need is really vital, and they help and support such children in achieving their full potential. improving their motor skill, giving ability to communicate properly, and in promoting their mental as well as physical health. The details of role of various professionals for children with special need is started. Number one, school counselor. स्कूल काउंसलर मीन्स जिस स्कूल में बच्चे पढ़ते हैं और वो बच्चे जो डिसेबल्ड हैं और विदाउट डिसेबल्ड हैं उनके लिए एक स्कूल काउंसलर प्रोवाइड कराना. स्कूल काउंसलर इज द स्पेशलिटीज एंड हु वर्क विद स्टूडेंट्स विद स्पेशल नीड इन स्कूल. A school counselor is a member of the education team who provides valuable assistance of students with special need, and he also help them with their academic goals, their social, personal and career development. He assists teaching staff with strategies and know how to support such students in distress. He also carry out the development program related to stress management, anger management, conflict management and positive thinking. He help all the students including students with special needs to achieve their full potential, gain self-confidence and to becoming productive member of the society. He also refers students and their familiar communities resources of special assistance. Next, physiotherapist means massager. A physiotherapist is considered with the gross motor skill and mobility of the children with special need. The role of the physiotherapist is to assist and manage children and young persons with movement disorder, disability, etc. The aim of physiotherapist is the help of children with special need of their full potential through providing physical intervention, advice and support. A physiotherapist concentrates in the particular on problem of affect muscles, bones, circulation of blood and lungs, etc. He evaluates movement of the function of the body of children with special need with particular attention of physical mobility, balance, posture, fatigue यानी थकान and pain of the body. Physiotherapy is used to range of techniques including massage, manipulation, exercise and movement, electrotherapy and hydrotherapy, etc. Next, occupational therapist. An occupational therapist helps children with special needs in performing self-care skills like eating, dressing, bathing, grooming, and that in activities related to fine motor skill. He also helps children in participating and interacting with others in play, and he helps children in adapting to regular school. He may suggest aids the beating and other classroom activities to help them to participate. Next, physical education teacher. Physical education teacher need to determine and the ability of the students with special needs. They also need to determine measure to the implement it of support their participation in sports and fitness. Physical education teacher helps students with special need to improve their physical fitness, and they help to improving hand-eye coordination, flexibility, muscular strength, endurance, and even cardiovascular efficiency. Physical education teacher also provides such physical activities for a student and special need which may help to reducing anxiety, stress, tension and depression. And the interaction and involvement with students without special need also help to give students with special needs a sense of confidence. Physical education teacher help students with special need in developing a sense of self-esteem and which can be important as students with special need may often feel isolated and removed from the group. Next, speech therapist. A speech therapist in school providing treatment, support and care for students for special needs and who have difficulties in communication. जो लोग बोलने में difficulty महसूस करते हैं. A speech therapist helps student with special need to gain ability to communication and through speech and language. A speech therapist help the provide training for the students who facing difficulty in producing sound or syllables or saying words incorrectly, and they are also help such students and who have fluency disorder like stoppage, repetition or problem sound in word. Next, special educator. Special educator means education teacher often has students with varying learning, mental, physical and emotional ability. They may assist a student with special need in the area of physical skill, learning through play, communication, improving social or emotional skill, and social. Special educator means responsibility to assist their students' cognitive ability. They also create and apply curricula and activities to meet the requirement of a student with special needs. Next, a school counselor. A school counselor is a specialist and who work with students with special needs in their elementary schools, middle schools and high school. A school counselor की आवश्यकता हमको एलिमेंट्री छोटे स्कूल्स, प्राइमरी स्कूल्स, मिडिल मीन्स जूनियर स्कूल एंड हाई स्कूल 10th स्टैंडर्ड लेवल के स्कूल में आवश्यकता है. And he ensure that they have to support services and they need to share and activities their highest potential in the area of academics, social, personal and career development. Next, he also carried out the development of program related to stress management, anger management, conflict management and positive thinking. Physiotherapist.